Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. We enclose a booklet which gives details of our plate glass window insurance. When you renew your insurance, we believe it will pay you to take out this type of policy. You will note that we are able to give you especially useful service. As soon as we receive your claim, we replace the glass. Your claim is settled without delay and a check large enough to pay for all the damage, including any damage to your window display, is sent to you.